What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today I'm very excited to finally have this in the collection. So obviously this is an RLC car, the Red Line Club car, and this is a 2023 club car. This came with obviously the RLC pin and the patch as well. I've kept that aside because obviously that isn't interesting. This is interesting. This is also my second RLC in the collection. So massive shout out to Drift30 for hooking us up. And I really appreciate him for hooking us up and getting us this. So this is obviously for this year. The release came out a few months ago. And yeah, I'm finally glad to have this in my hands. We're going to do a quick unboxing. You guys know, I love my cars loose. And this is no exception. We're going to get this out of the packaging. And then obviously it does come with a protector. We're going to keep the protector aside for future users. But yeah, here's the car. Right off the bat, obviously, this is my first carded RLC. Obviously, the other RLC was the one in the box, the Lamborghini Countach, right? So this is my first carded RLC, and obviously it's heavy. It's on the obviously heavier side compared to all the other Hot Wheels, be it mainlines or even premiums, to be honest with you guys. And yeah, before we actually dive right into it, I just want to show you the back of the card. So obviously we've got a little background on the Ford Cobra or the Mustang Cobra, and then we've got obviously the logo right there, a barcode right there. We've got the scan to play QR code from Ford. And yeah, obviously the other thing I want to point out is this little transparent portion at the back, which allows you to see both sides of the car, which I think is something very nice that they've added into the RLC series. Obviously premiums and mainlines, you don't get this, but you only get that for the RLC lineups. And we're gonna dive right straight into the car. So obviously this is a 1993 Ford Mustang Cobra R. So it's a club exclusive car, like I've mentioned a lot of times, to be honest. We're gonna quickly just get the plastic out right there, just like that. And there you have it, the Ford Mustang Cobra R. It's a rather long name. And right off the bat, I would say my first reaction or feeling, a statement towards this car is that it looks amazing. It feels great. It has a very nice weight to it as well. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think, first impressions. Regardless, let's begin. So obviously we've got these amazing 6-spoke rims. The wheels spin amazingly well as usual. I'm not really surprised. And obviously we've got a very nice black finish to the car. Obviously you guys can see the doors, they do not open, unfortunately. Then we've got a nice red pinstripe right there, the Cobra decal right there. And yeah, obviously the windows are rolled down, so you guys can see the interior. The gray seats, very nicely done as well. And from there, if you move on to the front of the vehicle, obviously we've got painted headlight temples. They're not plastic, they're painted. Unfortunate, but it doesn't really, it's kind of consistent with with Hot Wheels, and they don't really, it's very rare for them to put plastic headlight temples. Regardless, we've got painted ones right there. We've got the Mustang logo in the front, more openings. And then obviously, if you guys know, with this RLC comes this, the hood opens up, and the hood actually opens up very nicely. There's an added texture to it, there's an added feeling to it. And obviously you guys can see the amazing engine right there, very nicely detailed, I must say. You must give credit where it's due, right? And I think this is a very nicely done engine bay, which adds a lot of character to this car. Obviously we're going to close that in for a bit. And nothing much here. It's a rather plain black vehicle. On the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. Wheels once again spin amazingly well. And obviously we've got the Cobra decal right there again. And then it's a coupe, as you guys can see, 2 doors. You can see the steering wheel right there as well. And yeah, from there we're gonna quickly go into the back. Over here we've got the license plate that says RLC 23, which is obviously a 2023 reference. And yeah, from the base of the vehicle, if you just take a quick look, there are a few decent details. Obviously it says Ford Mustang Cobra R right there. You got a Hot Wheels logo right here as well. And then obviously we've got the exhaust manifold right there, and then the dual exhaust at the rear. So all in all, I think it's an amazing car. I think obviously it's not a very famous or very popular RLC compared to all the other releases they have had, and they will be having in the near future. But I think it's something worth having in my collection, because obviously it's an RLC, it's special. But yeah, just like that guys, we're gonna do a few ring shots about this car. I'll see you at the end. And just so I guess we come to the end of the video, I hope you guys enjoyed amazing. I should admit that unboxing this car. It is going to go insanely well in my collection. So, because the hood opens up, that is exactly how we are going to display this car. And obviously it's going to go in my 48-piece display slot, and I'm going to put it right here, just to kind of sort of go with like matching colors. So obviously we've got this whole like black situation going right here. You guys remember the 300 SL from the Elite 64 series? Obviously we've got the two Lycan Hypersports right here, the RWB Porsche 930 as well. Amazing car. Irregardless, that's not the focus for today. The focus is the Ford Mustang Cobra, and I'm super excited to have this in my collection. Let me just try to put the hood down a little bit. It looks very obnoxious. Alright, there you go, something like this. I think that looks amazing. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more RLCs, more Elite 64s, whatever you want to see, let me know. But just so that guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.